Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gillyy here, and today we're actually going to be doing something unrelated to makeup. We're going to be doing a bit of a loungewear set, haul slash like style video. I really want to start taking my channel towards more like fashion and stuff like that, especially for us thick, curvy girls. So I decided to start off today's, first kind of like fashiony video on my channel with just a little like style haul of loungewear and how I would wear them, to either dress them up, dress them down, how I would accessorize them, all that good stuff. So if you'd like to see which pieces I'm going to show you today, then stay tuned. But before all of that happens, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _it's_Gillyy. Now let's jump into this fashion. So first and foremost, I have this set to show you guys here. This set is from Fashion Nova. It's short, as you can tell, and then it has this like robe situation going on, and then I'm wearing a black like lace corset thing, and this is from Nasty Gal. Unfortunately, I don't think that this is like the best lace like thing, like bodysuit that I could have purchased. So I ordered like another one from Fashion Nova. So hopefully that gets here very soon, but I just decided to go ahead and film the video for you guys anyways. I did take pictures in this outfit in case you guys haven't seen those on my Instagram. And I mean, if you're not, following me on Instagram, how could you see it? But I love this set. I love the color. I love like being able to tie this in between because it kind of looks like I'm wearing a dress, but huzzah, there are pants underneath. And I did wear them with white sneakers at my photo shoot, but you could also wear this with heels and make it look cute. So let's put on our heels and a cute bag, and then we'll see how we can make this, go from being a loungewear to fashion. So, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am wearing these like really cute nude shoes, very cute. I'm still trying to properly set up my camera to get full body stuff. Probably need another lens for this purpose, but yeah, this is kind of how I would style this to go out with and make it cute. Just throw on a pair of your favorite like nude heels. I would wear nude just because like this whole thing is already nude. Wearing a little of, lace black underneath. So I just feel like nude is a perfect way to amp this up. These shoes actually are from Forever 21 and they are like 5 or 6 years old. It's crazy how old these shoes are. And then this bag, I'll come a little closer to show you guys. This bag here is actually from TJ Maxx. I love this quilted bag here. It kind of gives you like Chanel high-end feels, but it wasn't, and I got this again years ago for probably like less than $30. So TJ Maxx, when it comes to accessorizing, would definitely be a really good friend to you. So this is definitely one of my nicer, like I love pairing this bag with something that I want to make look chic and classy. So definitely to me, it's perfect. And also I love that you can take the handles off and just like hold it, So this is outfit number 1. Alrighty, so here is our loungewear number 2. This one is more kind of like athleisure and loungewear, but I'm just wearing this like cropped hoodie. The hoodie and the pants are from Forever 21. The bag is from LongChamps. I've had this bag for years. I just love this bag, especially like if I'm on vacation, I'm walking around a lot. This is a great bag to have, and it's great because it also like fold into itself, so it's great for traveling, but we're not here to talk about bags. We're here to talk about this outfit, loungewear. So this is what it's looking like. I really love the camo. I've never owned camo before, and I decided to get some camo leggings. And who knew camo could actually hide things? Like, love it because you don't really see the pudge when you're wearing camo, even though this is crop. I think these leggings are actually pretty nice. They go up like a decent amount and really do a good job of hiding all the pudge. And then for shoes, I am wearing these white chunky heels that I got from Nasty Gal. Super cute. So yeah, this would be option number 2. Way more casual, of course. You know, you're running errands, things to do. You're wearing your mask, of course. And yeah, love this. Super cute. Okay, so here is set number 3. This is going to be a cute little lavender number from Fashion Nova. Super cute. I think this is in a size medium, and then that first set that I got was in a size large. The top for that other set I felt like was a little bit too big, which is why I ended up ordering this one in a medium. Super cute. Love this color. It is everything. I love how with this you can, oh, I want to be modest, or I don't care. I want the girls to be out, have a lot of fun. So this is kind of what the set looks like. I did pair this set with my FentyxPuma sneakers that are also like lavender. I love the bow on these. And then I would, because this is like pretty tight to me, I would wear like a jean jacket like this. I got this jean jacket from Nasty Gal. It's super great. Love it. So I would do something more like this because it just like, I love a little bit of a baggy look and the layered look. It just kind of really stops this from being too lavender and kind of helps break it up. A jean jacket is always just really a staple to have in your closet because it just can really turn looks to different things. So I really love pairing this with this jean jacket. And then if we're talking about bags, I would just pair it with this cute little like blue bag that I have. This is also from TJ Maxx. Purchased years ago. Don't know when, don't remember. But yeah, like see, like now this is cute because this is one lavender. Lavender's in the family of blue, kind of. The bag, the shoes. I love it. Alrighty, so here is our next set. Now we're doing pink. Super cute, love pink, obviously. This is such a nice pink though because it's not overwhelming pink. I got this cute little set here from Nasty Gal. It's super, super adorable. Love it. It's just perfect. It's comfy. I literally can be lounging in this at home and then say, hey, I'm going to put on my shoes, grab a purse, and I'm ready to head out the door. And that's exactly kind of what loungewear is supposed to be. You know, we're in quarantine, baby. I don't want to be uncomfortable. I really want to be very comfortable when I'm at home, which is why I've been really into loungewear and just athleisure, all that good stuff. So this is just another cute little outfit. I am wearing my Uggs like slipper furry sandal thingies. I have no idea what these things are called, but I did get them as a birthday gift. So I did pair this outfit with it because this is all pink. So I just thought like, hey, a little bit of gray and, you know, that would be really cute with this. Of course, make sure your toes are done. There's nothing worse than wearing sandals without your toes done, but I mean, I digress. I'm just really obsessed with this outfit, y'all. And of course, the butt is looking great, you know? Just saying, yeah. This is a great outfit. This has pockets, so like theoretically, I probably wouldn't wear a bag with this, but like if I had to, I'd probably just like wear this Marc Jacobs bag that I have that I just really love because it's like fun, casual, flirty, and actually fits a lot of stuff. This is a great bag, and I wish I bought it in like more colors. So this is this outfit, y'all. Okay, so guys, this is the final set that I will be showing you guys today. This one is, of course, a nice, sleek, all black set. I got this one from Fashion Nova. So the shirt on this one can be a little bit long and make you look a little bit boxy. So for this one, what I definitely like to do is, because the pants definitely go up pretty high and they are very like nice and comfy. This is also like some really soft material. I kind of love the material of this set. I just like tie the front of my shirt like this, and then I like, you know, just pull it and then, you know, do the little tuck-in method, and then voila, it just looks a little bit nicer, sleeker. It is all black, so, you know, it makes us look slimmer. Love it. And then you get less of like the baggy look. Now I am also wearing some white and black classic Adidas sneakers. I just thought it was super fitting for this all black look. I would also pair this with my jean jacket. Just really makes it look good. If you guys can't tell, obsessed with this jean jacket. It really is one of the best jean jackets I've ever owned. And again, it is from Nasty Gal. So I would totally like wear this combo to like the airport, or, you know, to like get lunch or something with friends, and you know, you want to look like you put in a little effort, but not too much, you know. So this is just like another cute combo, and I would still pair this one once again with this Marc Jacobs purse, because literally this purse just never fails, and I'm like super duper obsessed with this purse, if you guys couldn't tell. So yeah, like Alrighty, y'all, so that's the end of today's lounge set fashion styling video. If you guys enjoyed this video and would like to see more fashion related videos from this channel, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know what you thought about today's outfits and how I styled them. If you guys would do anything differently, of course, I'm always open to critique, and as I dive into more fashion stuff, please work with me on the videos, because I know the quality might not be as good just because my camera that I currently have is not set up to be doing full body. I need like a wider lens or something, so gonna work on getting that for Christmas and, you know, try my best. So for now, you guys gotta accept what I have, but trust me, I'm giving y'all good quality product here. Maybe not quality video, but quality content for sure. So that's it. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're excited to see more of these videos. Go ahead and like all of my other videos, watch them, do whatever you want, comment, blah, 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 have fun. And go follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. For, both of those are gonna be It's Gillyy, and I definitely post way more fashion stuff on my Instagram. So you just wanna go ahead and follow me if you're looking for tips, you're trying to be cute. Hopefully we're out of quarantine soon and we can actually start, you know, hitting the streets and killing these people. Okay, so that's the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.